In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use n8n. n8n is a powerful, flexible automation platform that lets you connect apps, move data, and build workflows without writing a lot of code. To get started, decide how you want to run it. You can use the hosted cloud version for the quickest path, or self-host it with Docker if you prefer full control. Either way, once you're in, you'll land on a clean workspace that's ready for your first automation. On the canvas, click Add Node. Nodes are the building blocks of a workflow. Think of a workflow as a simple sentence. When something happens, do something else. We begin by choosing what kicks things off, then we add the steps that should run afterward. Every workflow starts with a trigger. Pick what makes sense for your use case. A schedule that runs at specific times, a webhook that listens for incoming requests, or an event such as a form submission. Configure the trigger with simple settings. And if you're testing, set a convenient schedule or prepare a sample request so you can see results quickly. Next, add action nodes to do the work. For example, you can send an email through Gmail or add a new row to a Google Sheet. Each action node performs a specific task, and n8n offers a wide range of integrations, so you can chain multiple apps together in one place. Connect your nodes by dragging a line from one to the next. These connections define the order of operations and the flow of data. You can branch paths, handle errors separately, and keep your logic clear and visual. Configure each node by opening it and filling in its parameters. When an integration needs access, add credentials securely within n8n, then select them in the node. Use expressions to reference data from previous steps, so fields like names, emails, or IDs can be mapped dynamically without hard-coding values. Explore key features as you refine your workflow. Data manipulation tools let you reshape and filter payloads. Expressions help you compute values on the fly. AI nodes can summarize text, classify content, or enhance responses depending on the provider you connect. When you're ready, click Execute Workflow to test. You'll see live data flow through each node, and successful steps will show clear outputs you can inspect. If something fails, read the error message, adjust the configuration, and run it again until the results look right. To spark ideas, consider an AI agent that categorizes incoming messages, a form-to-sheet handoff that logs submissions automatically, or an app-to-app bridge that keeps records in sync. With these foundations, you're ready to build reliable automations in n8n.